Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be doing another video for the YouTuber beginner series. So if you are interested in this video, please keep on watching.
It's Slim Reshae, natural beauty. It's Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.
Alright y'all, so I know it's been a little minute, but your girl, she's getting it done, okay? I got a lot going on right now, but I want to make sure that I get this content to you guys. So if you see me looking the same in the next few series videos, mind your business, and I'ma mind my business. So anyway, I wanted to come on here and share with you guys how I edit on my iPhone. So this is my iPhone. It's an iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I'm just gonna record a short video. First of all, if you're recording on your phone, you want to make sure that your camera lens is clean, and I definitely recommend recording with the back camera so you can have that clarity, because the back camera is substantially better than the front camera. But don't get me wrong, the front camera is still bomb. So right now, I'm gonna make sure I'm in view, and I can see y'all can see it. So I'm gonna hit record. Okay, it's recording, and this is gonna be real hard because I only got one hand, but I'm gonna show y'all me recording video. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be applying my Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser Lip Balm. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Obviously, unless you're vlogging, you don't gotta do a selfie situation like this. I'm using one hand literally, y'all. Okay. And then I'm gonna show the product. If you want to be a pro kisser, check this out. It's so corny. Okay, so now make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, love you guys. Okay, so boom. Stop the video. And we have, I don't know how long this video is. Let's see. Okay, so the video was 1 minute and 16 seconds. And it is, and we have it in our phone. So now I'm going to screen record to show you guys editing with Videoleap. And Videoleap is a bomb little situation where you can edit. So you can select your video and hit add to project, and so you can see your video in here. And so let's see. Hey guys, welcome to my, wow, that's perfect. So you just drag left and right to scroll through the video. At the bottom you can see obvious things. So filters, opacity, however you say it. Opacity, I'm pretty sure that's right. Adjust, transform, speed, reverse, freeze, audio, replace, split, mixer, duplicate, remove. And I do have the pro version, so just a heads up, I'm not 100% sure what is not included, because I got the pro version and I can't like go back, if that makes sense. So hopefully this is helpful, but you can like go like this to zoom in on it or whatever, so you could play it. Okay, it's recording, and this is gonna be real hard because I only got one hand, but I'm gonna show y'all me recording video. Okay, so right there I'm about to say, hey guys. Now you can unlink the audio, but I'm not going to do that because that's not really beginner friendly. So I'm going to go right here, and I can just drag the arrow back to the red line, and that's going to trim the video down. So now it starts. Hey guys, welcome to my channel today. Perfect. So you can zoom in if you want to, so you can make sure you're getting right when I start speaking. So let's go in a little bit. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Perfect. Today we will be applying my Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser Lip Balm. And so I can split it there. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Beauty Pro Kisser Lip Balm. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, so after keep on watching, I can split the video and say you have an intro. If you do have an intro video, you can insert it here. If you're beginning, you probably don't. It's not really necessary. So now we're just gonna chop it up. And so I need to skip all of this where I was shaking it, and I need to come to where I'm applying it. So I should have put this on Do Not Disturb, huh? Okay. So I'm going to go right here before I apply it. Split and then select this middle portion that I don't want and delete it. And now we're going to play it back. If you're interested, keep on watching. So putting on the lips, super cute. And then I'll like stop it like here. Didn't I just put this thing on Do Not Disturb? So I'm splitting it here, and then we're gonna go back to this part where I'm applying the lip gloss to make it look, you know, a little cute or whatever. First of all, I'm gonna go to audio, and so when I was saying you can unlink the audio, you can unlink it where you can then move that audio anywhere you want. We don't need the audio because it's literally silence. And so what I'm going to do is just remove the audio. And so now there's nothing playing behind this. And I think it'll be cute to slow down me applying the lip gloss. So I'll go to speed, and you can drag it down to slow it down, or you can speed it up and drag it up. So I'm going to drag it down to like 0.70. Keep on watching. And that's, you know, cute. And then I'm going to show the product. So then me showing the product, I'm going to crop it right here. Or I'm going to split the video, delete the previous portion that we don't need. So we're going from applying the lips, showing the product. And I'm going to split it here. And obviously for this part where I'm just showing the product, I can remove the audio. So if I click audio, I can just mute it and it won't play any audio. And then let's look for our editing. Check this out. Okay, so that was so corny, but if you want. So here I'm just gonna trim that down. If you want to be a pro kisser, check this out. Okay, and we're gonna split that. I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit because I don't want to get this smacking. If you want to be that right there. So I'm gonna trim that down. If you want to be a pro kisser, check this out. Perfect. That's so corny. And then make sure. So then we're gonna, and the way that the cue for me to trim this down is like seeing like how my mouth is. So right here, my mouth is about to say make, but you know, you don't say make until your lips part, make. So I'm gonna split it right there, delete the previous portion that we don't need. So make sure you like, comment, and okay, so that was a little bit too close. I want a little bit more of the word make, so I'm just going to expand it a little bit. Check this out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, love you guys. Okay, and I'm going to split it right there and delete the rest. So that 1 minute and 16 second video is now 30 seconds. Because we've trimmed it down to what we need, right? So this is what we have so far. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be applying my Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser Lip Balm. So if you're interested, keep on watching. want to be a pro kisser? Check this out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, love you guys. Okay, so that's the video. I will say the lip applying was a little bit long, so we can speed that up if we want to and do like maybe 80. But in between, you'll see these little spacers, which is where you can do a transition. And here is where I know there's limited transitions for the free version. But say you just want to do dissolve, you can hit dissolve. If you're interested, keep on watching. And it'll dissolve into the next clip. Cute. You can make it a long dissolve. My Fenty Beauty where it slowly dissolves. So if you're interested, which I wouldn't recommend doing all that. But like, or you could do slide. So let's say we do slide. If you're interested, keep on watching. Cute. But I want to slide in another direction. So we'll do the other slide. Perfect. And so then after I apply it, after I show it, I'm going to want to slide again for the outro. You want to be a pro kisser? Check this out. Make sure you like, comment, and... But you see how it cut off some of the audio, so you're going to have to like make the transition faster. Check this out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, love you guys. Okay, perfect. So now we have some transitions. Now we can go in and add some text. So say we'll move the text bar down to when we're applying the lip gloss. So we'll move the text to when we're showing the product, and we'll just put Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser Lip Balm. I don't know if that's the rule. Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm. Okay, so that's kind of big. So you can change the font. And certain fonts are limited for the free version. You can also like animate the font. You can do effects. You can change the color. You can put a background to it. So if we did the background to be black and turn the opacity up, then we can, let's see, go to animation. If you want it to fade in like that. If you want it to fade out like that. Effects, you can make it look like fire. Like that. So that's kind of cute, right? But that will take off your background. So we'll just leave the fire because that's kind of cute. Then you can change the alignment, and you can also change the size just by pinching it down. So let's put that towards the bottom, right? So now if we play it, we're applying it, cool. And then we're showing the product, and it's telling you what it is. Oh, so cute. Check this out. Make sure you like, comment, and... Cool. So then say we want to duplicate this text. Bring it down here. And let's say we're just going to put like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll just leave that right there. So now we want to do something under the video where we muted the audio so you can add like your own music. So let's go audio. Let's go to, you have sound effects, which these are just preset ones. Videoleap has ones. But I'll do a later video about audio and music for your YouTube videos so you don't get copyrighted. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna select a song that's in my files, which we have Rain, the SWV remix. No, we're not gonna do that because we're not gonna get copyrighted doing this video. So we're just gonna go to my files and let's pick, we're gonna choose New Baby. And New Baby is song that I got made for me a while ago by my boy K Austin. And so right now I'm just zooming out because this song is 2 minutes and 36 seconds. So I'm zooming out so I could drag this down. And now I'm going back so we can make this go all the way up until we start talking again. And so with your audio, you can change the volume. You can turn it down. So we'll turn it down to like 50. And then you can make it fade in and fade out. So I'll do fade in and fade out. Ooh. And so now let's go back and let's play the video. Hey guys, welcome to my Actually, I think that's it. So we're going to play it in full screen so y'all can see what it looks like. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be applying my Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser Lip Balm. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you want to be a pro kisser, check this out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, love you guys. Okay, so see, that's a full video. Of course, this is just a shortened version just to show you guys how to edit on your iPhone. And when you export it, you can choose the level that you want it to export. Now, I do also believe this is part of the upgrade as far as what like resolution you can export at. But if you do have the pro version, you can export it at 4K 60 frames per second, and you just hit save. It'll export your project, and then it'll save to your phone, and from there you can upload the video through the YouTube app, and you just follow YouTube's instructions on how to upload it. So this is uploading or exporting, and you can't close or lock your phone whilst exporting, or you may have issues, and it tells you that. So you just want to make sure your phone screen stays active whilst exporting. It's literally taking less than a minute for it to export. Right now it's on 80%. Almost done. Bada boom, bada bang. Period. And so now it's saved to my photos, and now you can see I have the full video. If you go to YouTube, you can hit the video button and click upload video, select your video. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. You can trim it if you want to, because YouTube does has its own like editor. I don't use it, but then now you just type in your title, and then you can add your description, make it visible, and all that stuff. And I believe the next step is where you add your thumbnail, or download YouTube Studio, which is the creator space for you to like edit your description box and all that stuff. So that is basically how you edit a video on your iPhone. I will be doing an iMovie tutorial on my computer, but iMovie is also available on iPhone, so it'll kind of give you different options. But for right now, for editing on iPhone, we're using Videoleap, but I will be doing an iMovie tutorial so you guys can know how to work iMovie a little bit as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love y'all so very much. I hope y'all are getting something from this series, honestly, because I thought long and hard in the different things that I wanted to share with you guys that I personally wish I had someone share with me as I started my YouTube journey. So hopefully these are helpful. I love you guys so much. Let me know in the comments if you're enjoying this, because that's how I know. If you like this video, if you let me know in the comments that you're enjoying this series, that's how I know this is content that you guys want to see, not just content that I think would be valuable to you guys. So just let me know in the comments. And if you've watched this far and you're not subscribed, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, sis? Go ahead and subscribe down below. Join the Gem Squad. That basically means you're joining a community of people committed to loving themselves authentically and living a positive life. So go ahead and subscribe. And without further ado, y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Bye guys.